Hello dear student, our today's topic is memory management. Memory management is a very important function of operating system. So what is memory management? It is nothing but how an operating system controls the data stored and organized between main memory or primary memory and secondary memory or secondary storage, ensuring programs get the memory they need and freeing it when no longer used. That is memory management. So this is the pictorial representation of memory management. This is user space and this is operating system. First, process 1 was in execution, so this was taking the entire memory space, and after it has completed execution, it's freeing the space, and process 2 is going to be executed now and it will be taking memory space. So main memory and secondary storage are two memory places that will take their places. Programs will take their storage places, and when the programs no longer are requiring these spaces, they should be terminated and they should no longer consume the spaces. That is memory management by operating system. Key activities in memory management. First is allocation and deallocation. Allocation means assigning and deallocation means freeing. So operating system assigns and frees memory as needed by the programs during their execution. Second is protection. Operating system prevents processes from interfering with each other's memory. So when process 1 was taking the memory space, process 2 was waiting, and when process 1 has completed execution, it has freed the memory, and now process 2 will be taking the memory space, but these two are not interfering with each other's memory. Third, we have virtual memory. It uses disk space as extra memory to learn large programs. When large programs are in execution, they require extra memory or large amount of memory. That's when virtual memory comes to use, and that's when it uses disk space. Operating system uses disk space as extra memory for running large programs. Next, we have fragmentation handling. It reduces wasted space through compaction. So operating system reduces wasted space or unnecessary space through compaction. Last, we have disk management. Operating system handles file storage, free space, disk scheduling and backups. So in these way, it controls memory management, handles file storage, free space, disk scheduling and backups. Thank you.